Unraveling Idioms, Understanding, Run It Hot. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that often leaves learners puzzled: run it hot. This expression is a colorful part of the English language, and by the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in conversation. So let's get started and unravel this idiom together. Run it hot is an idiomatic expression, which means it cannot be understood directly from the meanings of its individual words. To run it hot typically means to operate something at a high capacity or intensity, often pushing the limits. It's like driving a car at full speed. The engine runs hot due to the high energy and effort. But there's more to it than just literal heat. When someone says they're running it hot, they could be referring to a variety of situations, from working tirelessly on a project to pushing themselves to their limits in a workout. Let's see how this phrase is used in everyday English. In a business context, the team has been running it hot to meet the quarterly targets. During physical activities, I ran it hot on the treadmill today to beat my personal record. In social situations, we're running it hot with party preparations to ensure everything's ready by Saturday. In each instance, the phrase conveys a sense of urgency and high energy. It's a versatile expression that can be used in various scenarios, which is a testament to the richness of the English language. The phrase, run it hot, likely comes from the world of machinery, where running an engine at high speeds causes it to heat up. Over time, this mechanical concept was borrowed into general language to describe any intense activity. Understanding the origins of such phrases can enhance your comprehension and appreciation of English and can also make learning more enjoyable. We hope you're now feeling confident about what it means to run it hot and how you can incorporate this phrase into your own conversations. Remember, idioms like this one add flavor to the language and can help you sound more like a native speaker. So don't shy away from using them. Thank you for watching, and keep running your English learning hot. We look forward to bringing you more insights into the fascinating world of